nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I've got a food pantry haul for you today. But first, I want to talk about something important. I've got a very controversial video that's coming out, and it's a music video too. Yeah, I know, right? I was talking to City Girl, and she told me, well, I don't know if you should put that video out because it's very controversial, and it deals with adult subjects and different things, and like people are uncomfortable with like pride and all that other stuff, and Black Lives Matter and whatever, and weight issues with being overweight. Well, I thought about it. I'm going to put that video out. It's not that I want to shove any message down anyone's throats or misword anything or misgender anyone, but I do want awareness of that there's one group of people on this earth. People. All right. Now, without further ado, let's get fly to this food pantry haul. All right, starting from left to the right, we have some wonderful canned goods. I got some cream style corn. Oh, some Heinz ketchup, tomato ketchup, y'all. Look at that. Oh, yes, condiments. That's good. I got some tomato soup, some cream of chicken, black beans, and some pink salmon. Because Dean on the scene is coming, y'all. I swear he's coming. Now, I got some natural pears in the natural juice diced up. Now, check this out. I'm going to show you how to make some tropical drinks. I'm doing it all summer long, okay? And these are wonderful. I got some cut green beans. Ooh, yes, these are good. I got some beef ravioli and the spaghetti rings. I'm going to show you how to make my beef ravioli and spaghetti ring bake. You will love it. I combine them. Yes, I do. Then I've got some low sodium spaghetti sauce. Gotta love that. Then I got some diced tomatoes, no salt added. I've got some no salt sweet peas. I got some veg all. Then I got some refried beans. Oh yeah. Peanut butter and jelly. Well, peanut butter anyway. I don't know about the jelly. Oh, wow. I got some more mac and cheese, which I'm going to need because you know I'm doing a barbecue. That's the video I'm showing you guys for the pantry clean out. Oh, it's going to be good. With City Girl, of course. Premium white chicken. I'm going to show you all how to make a salad. A summertime salad without mayonnaise. Yes, I am. This one I'll make mayonnaise with, but the other one is going to be made with Italian dressing. For those of you who do not like mayonnaise, I'm going to show you an alternative. Now, we're going to jump over here. They gave us some soda pop, you all. Lemon lime. I got 5 cans of that. I'm going to use that to make my punch for the barbecue. Then I got 4 waters. Let's see what this is. Purified water. Ooh. Then we have some espresso. My sister will love that. Then I have some instant espresso. I'll probably give that to Uncle Mike. My absolute favorite to make some wonderful summertime drinks with watermelon. I'm going to make this frozen blueberries. I'm going to show you how to make my blueberry watermelon slushy. Yum. Okay. Look, we got some carrots, 2 tomatoes. Ooh, these are good. And some, I'm not sure, I think these are jalapenos. I'm not sure. They look like it. Got some nice peppers. I might just make some hot sauce out of these. And I got a red pepper too. Yeah, I think I'm going to show. And with these tomatoes, I can make you all my savory sweet heat sauce. I'm going to make that. Ooh, I got some natural mango. What is this? Applesauce. We got some jambalaya. Jambalaya mix. Penne pasta. A whole bag. I'm going to use that to make that summertime salad. You're going to love it. So we got some snacks, some goldfish, 2 bags of that, cheddar with 100% real cheese and 100% lots of chemicals too, I'm sure. We got some tortillas, corn. So I'm going to fry these up and make my own corn chips. A bag of rice. Endless possibilities here. I think I should make some dirty rice for you all. I never made that for you. Bag of walnuts. Oh, I'm going to have Miss Brenda make some more cookies. Uh-oh. One of my lights went out. There we go. We got it back. Oh, look, y'all. Oatmeal. I'm going to get Miss Brenda to make those oatmeal walnut cookies or oatmeal and raisin. Oh, yeah. We got some chocolate pudding. I wonder if we can make pudding cakes or cookies. Now, these are sugar-free. You know what? This is good. I'm going to tell you something. All my diabetic nieces and nephews out there, this tastes good. It's sugar-free. It's nice pudding you can enjoy on a hot summer day. Cool yourself down. We got a pack of eggs, y'all. I needed this so bad. I really did. Then we got a block of that cheese. If you all don't know about this government cheese, you're gonna know now. This stuff is wonderful. From macaroni and cheese to quiches to cheese melts to just everything you can think of. Now, we got some ground turkey. 85% lean, 15% fat. You have to have some fat in your meat so it not only tastes good, but cooks well. Then I have a whole bag, 5 pounds of drumsticks. Yeah, these are going to go on the grill too. Then we got some oil. Let's see what kind. Vegetable oil. Now you got to be careful because sometimes it's soy, but we got some oil for frying things. Now, let's pan and take a good look at the good stuff we got and the blessings we got. There were a lot of people at the food pantry today, you all. A lot. Now, I showed you what I got today, and I gave you a few ideas of what you can make. Like I said, don't be ashamed of the food pantry, and don't make fun of anybody that goes to the food pantry. Which leads me to my next subject. I'm going to be releasing a video talking about people and that we are family. All of you out there are my family, and I hope you consider me your family too. Okay? All right. Now I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe. I want you to write me at Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com. Let me know if I can help you out or get you some resources where you live. We even have job resources now, thanks to Mr. Dean on the scene. Has anybody had trouble with the flies and the gnats lately? Because we have here in Chicago. I think because it's so humid. All right. Big love. Look for this next video. It is very controversial, but it is very important. God loves. God does not hate. Because I saw something that really hurt my heart with people that said they were God loving, but people hating. And I'm sorry, but a blessing cannot come out of the same mouth as a curse. No. Love in your heart like I love you. Bye-bye.